This is a brand new 2013 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a V6. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory settings for the seat's position so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, steering wheel mounted controls, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, a pass-through rear seat, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.